Hi, good evening, all of you, my dear friends. Now I am in the station of Shahjahanpur near second gate, and you can see uh, train is now present in the platform number 3, and there are uh, very huge cluster in the platform, in the all platform, and it is so very uh, cute place, and there are randomly uh, uh, huge person are walking and enjoying at the evening in the Shahjahanpur station, and childrens also are playing in the playground of in the yard of station. You can see it is the statues of our क्रांतिकारीज ऑफ शाहजहाँपुर पंडित राम प्रसाद बिस्मिल अशफाकुल्ला खां एंड ठाकुर रोशन सिंह. It is a public placement place, but there are no any because at midnight 10 o'clock, so all the person are go at our home, and also I am going in the room for eating the food and doing our work, that is study and any other work. So thank you for watching, and if you are new in my YouTube channel, please subscribe, share and like, comment.